Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone and good morning all of you. This is Ashrama and in this video we'll be talking about everyday news events. Now the discussion is going to involve a lot of news events that are going to be covered from the past day, and they are going to be covered in the crisp format so that it covers all the news events in as less time as possible. Right? We are targeting at less time being taken for more news events for your preparation, and all the news events have been kept keeping in mind your preparation for examination as well. This video will be helpful for every aspirant no matter which examination you are appearing in. Let's begin with the first one, NeoX. Now, what is NeoX? NeoX is a mobile banking solution for millennials. In the last video, we had talked about IOB Trendy, which was a millennial account by Indian Overseas Bank, right? Now, seeing that another bank has been opened for millennial, and that is NeoX. For this, Neo has partnered with Equitas Small Finance Bank and Visa. So all three together have launched this bank account NeoX. NeoX can be utilized in two ways. That is, it can be either an online saving account or it can be used as a wealth management account. So it can serve both the purposes, that is savings account and a wealth account. In this, there is a new type of zero balance. So in this, what is there? If up to 1 lakh balance is maintained, then the interest rate is going to be 3.5%. But as soon as it crosses 1 lakh, the interest rate is going to be 7% on incremental amounts above 1 lakh rupees. So it just doubles after 1 lakh. So it promotes more and keeping more amount in the bank account. Over here, what you need to know is headquarter of Equitas, a small finance bank, and that is in Chennai. Right? Then going ahead, World Development Report 2021. Now, this report has recently been released by World Bank. What is the name of the report? The report is named World Development Report 2021 Data for Better Lives. And in this, it tells about, as the name suggests, how to improve the lives of people and how it can be improved, what steps can be taken, what steps should be taken. All of these things are covered in this report. So, it's basically targeting all the poor people and advanced development so that no one is left behind. Now, it mentions that value, equity, and trust. These are the three elements of a social contract for data. Now, you need to remember what are the three elements of social contract of data: value, equity, and trust. Then we have a Global Wind Report 2020, which has recently been released by Global Wind Energy Council or GWEC. Now, in this, what are the takeaways? Important takeaway being that total global wind power capacity is 743 gigawatts, and a minimum of 280 gigawatts need to be installed every year by the people or by the countries so that we can work towards energy conservation, which we are working right now. Right? So, we are all looking at energy conservation, right? So for that, what world needs to do is install about 280 gigawatt of wind energy plants per year. Also, regarding GWEC, here we need to know about the headquarters of GWEC, which are in Brussels in Belgium. And who is the CEO of GWEC? That is Ben Backwell. Ben Backwell is the current CEO of GWEC, Global Wind Energy Council. Right? Going ahead, water from air kiosk has been established recently. It has been established in Vishakhapatnam. Now, don't confuse. There are two things over here. Maitri Aquatech is a startup of Hyderabad which has installed it. And Vishakhapatnam is the place where it has been installed. There's a confusion that happens at times. Vishakhapatnam is the place where it has been installed, and Hyderabad is the city where the startup is of which has set it up. Now, it is world's first mobile water from air kiosk, that is, from air water can be created, and also water knowledge center is there. And kiosk will function as water knowledge resources center, which will create awareness regarding a good water sanitation and hygiene practices, right? Then a few one-liners. 27th of March was Earth Hour Day this year. Now, over here, if anyone asks you, if anytime you face a question that when is Earth Hour Day celebrated annually, it is on last Saturday of March, right? But if they ask you when was it celebrated for 2021, that was 27th of March. What was the theme for this year? That was climate change to save Earth. Then on 27th March, that is same day, World Theatre Day was also observed, marking all the theatrical experiences and all the theatre artists have written a few notes about it. Anish Shah has been appointed as MD and CEO of Mahindra in Mahindra Bank recently. And then we have Denis Sassou Nguesso. He has been re-elected as the President of Republic of Congo. Now over here, what you need to also remember is the capital of Congo, which is Brazzaville. Brazzaville is the capital of Congo. Then Dr. H.R. Nagendra has been appointed as head of an expert committee to explore the potential of yoga as a productivity enhancing tool for population. So first of all, who has set up this committee? Ayush Ministry has set it up. Second of all, who is going to be the head of this committee? Dr. H.R. Nagendra is going to be the head of this committee. Then the 7th annual summit of Nat Health was held recently. Over here, the theme is important. That is Indian health system expansion in post-COVID era. Who had organized it? Ministry of Health. So it was presided by Dr. Harshvardhan, who is the Health Minister of India. Then we have Carmen Maria Machado. Now she was the winner of Rathbone's Folio Prize. Now Rathbone Folio Prize is a literature award which can be given for any fictional or non-fictional work, and she has been awarded for her work in the Dream House, a memoir. Over here you can also expect the question to be framed as books and authors, that is this in the Dream House, a memoir has been written by whom, kind of. Then HDFC Bank has been named as India's best bank for SME at Asia Money Best Bank Awards. Again, a very important achievement of HDFC Bank. All the important people of HDFC Bank, headquarters, all of these points are important. Then Indians, a brief history of civilization. This book has been written by Namit Arora and been announced recently. Then Yes Essence Plus is a unique accelerator program which has been launched to support women entrepreneurs and women leading startups. So who has launched it? As the name says, Yes Bank in partnership with Sheroes. So both of them together have launched this, and Sheroes is a women managed social network. Women managed social network. And also in this, you need to know a few things about Yes Bank, like the CEO, the headquarters, and basic stuff. Then RBI has extended restrictions on PMC Bank. So it was supposed to end on 31st of March. The restrictions were supposed to end. But since there have not been much of the improvements, as we can say, so therefore, this extension has been increased till which date? Till 30th of June 2021. Then Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, has signed a loan agreement with Tata Cleantech Capital Limited, or TCCL, and this has been signed on 10 billion Japanese yen, which you can say is about 660 crore rupees. So this loan agreement is between Tata Cleantech and JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency. And second of the important thing is the amount, that is 10 billion Japanese yen, or 660 crores. Then Prime Minister of India and Prime Minister of Bangladesh, both of them inaugurated Bangabandhu Bapu Museum, which was inaugurated in Dhaka. Then Swarna Jayanti Scholarship for Youths of Bangladesh was announced by Prime Minister recently. Now this scholarship is already given. It's not something that is being given for the first time. It is already being given to people who are living outside. Research fellowship, it is awarded by Department of Science and Technology for young scientists in biology, in chemistry, in mathematics. And this year, since Bangladesh relations are being refurnished for completing 50 years. Therefore, this has been open for Bangladesh people also, youth also. Also, 50 entrepreneurs from Bangladesh have been invited to visit India and join the Startup Initiative of India. Then Dr. Harshvardhan launched a tribal TB initiative for the purpose of TB Mukt Bharat, for which the target of India is, for TB Mukt Bharat, the target is 2025 for India, right? Then ITBP will be utilizing the services of its retired combat canines as therapy dogs soon. So you should have important information regarding ITBP. Right, over here we wind up this segment, but before I go, I would like to tell all of you that you can also attempt free quiz, which is a hardly 15-minute quiz for your preparation of keeping in touch with current affairs, and you can take that for free on Entry app. Also, you can take free mocks and free test series, sectional tests, everything, all for free as of now on Entry app. It's a limited time offer, so do check that out. It will be very helpful and rank booster for all of you. Thank you so much. It has been wonderful interacting with all of you. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and have a great day ahead.